guys, I'm Nikki Sizemore. Welcome to my kitchen and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe might just be a big game changer for you. I know it was for me. I'm going to show you how to make oven grilled cheese. So forget about having to tend to individual grilled cheese sandwiches. This technique can make sheet trays of grilled cheese sandwiches at the same time. My family loves grilled cheese. My kids love them. I love them. I mean, what could be better than buttery, toasty bread and melty cheese? And this recipe does not disappoint. And the best thing about it is that everyone can build their own sandwich according to what they like. So I like to set up kind of like a grilled cheese bar and let people build their own sandwiches. Then we can slide them all into the oven at once. And then I can have a grilled cheese with lots of sauteed greens. My husband can have tomatoes and basil. My kids just might like it plain, but whatever, they're boring. Everyone gets what they want. I can't wait to show you how easy it is to make oven grilled cheese. So stick around and let's head to the kitchen. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button below so that you don't miss out on any of my family-friendly, easy, and naturally gluten-free recipes. And by the way, if you hit that notification bell, then you'll be notified every time I post a new video.
We're going to start by lining a large sheet pan with foil and then just spritz it lightly with cooking spray just so the sandwiches don't stick. This recipe makes 5 grilled cheese sandwiches, but you can easily double the recipe or cut it in half. Arrange 10 slices of bread on your work surface and then spread softened butter over each. You can use whatever bread you and your family like and eat. Place 5 of those slices of bread buttered side down on the prepared baking sheet, and then we're gonna top them with cheese. I'm going for some slices of cheddar and Swiss cheese today, but you can use any melty cheese like Gruyere or Comté. Now here's the fun part. If you want to make a gourmet grilled cheese, you can stuff it with pretty much whatever you want. You can do sliced deli ham or turkey, sauteed greens, roasted red peppers, mushrooms, sun-dried tomatoes, sauerkraut, artichoke hearts, tomato slices, herbs. You get the picture. I like to let my family and friends stuff their own grilled cheeses with what they like. And by the way, this makes for a really fun party or game day meal with a big pot of soup. Top each sandwich with another slice or 2 of cheese, and then place the remaining bread on top, buttered side up. Slide the pan into the oven, and we're going to let these cook until they're golden brown on top, rotating the pan halfway through. In my oven, that takes about 3 minutes. Remove the pan from the oven and then flip each sandwich over, pressing it gently with a spatula. Transfer the pan back to the oven and we will broil the sandwiches until they are golden brown on the other side. It only takes about 2 to 3 minutes longer. These oven grilled cheese sandwiches are perfectly buttery, crispy, crunchy, and cheesy. It's everything you want in a grilled cheese sandwich. This is a really fun dish to serve at a party or on a game day, not to mention on a weeknight with a bowl of soup. You can even turn the sandwiches into an easy appetizer that everyone will love by cutting them into triangles.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I've included a link below to the full recipe. You can also find a ton of other easy meal ideas on my website at fromscratchfast.com. I can't wait to hear what you think about these oven grilled cheese sandwiches, so leave a comment below and I will see you next time.